介词
Preposition.
Preposition.
对对
Indicate a subject-target relation between people or things.
Indicate a subject-target relation between people or things.
多吃水果对身体好。多吃水果对身体好。
Eating more fruits is good for your health.
Eating more fruits is good for your health.
酒喝多了对身体不好。酒喝多了对身体不好。
Drinking too much alcohol is bad for your health.
Drinking too much alcohol is bad for your health.
谢谢你们对我的帮助。谢谢你们对我的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
希望我的笔记对你有帮助。希望我的笔记对你有帮助。
Hope my notes are helpful to you.
Hope my notes are helpful to you.
多做运动对身体好。多做运动对身体好。
Doing more exercise is good for your body.
Doing more exercise is good for your body.
看视频对学英语有帮助。看视频对学英语有帮助。
Watching videos is helpful for learning English.
Watching videos is helpful for learning English.
他对打篮球感兴趣。他对打篮球感兴趣。
She is interested in playing basketball.
She is interested in playing basketball.
他对音乐不感兴趣。他对音乐不感兴趣。
He is not interested in music.
He is not interested in music.
他们对汉语有兴趣。他们对汉语有兴趣。
They are interested in Chinese.
They are interested in Chinese.
我对游泳没有兴趣。我对游泳没有兴趣。
I'm not interested in swimming.
I'm not interested in swimming.
我对画画更感兴趣。我对画画更感兴趣。
I am more interested in drawing.
I am more interested in drawing.
形容词
Adjective.
Adjective.
对对
Right. Correct.
Right. Correct.
这道题你答对了。这道题你答对了。
You got this question right.
You got this question right.
你说的很对，我同意你的看法。你说的很对，我同意你的看法。
You are right. I agree with you.
You are right. I agree with you.
量词
Measure word.
Measure word.
对对
Used for people or things that come in pairs.
Used for people or things that come in pairs.
一对夫妇。一对夫妇。
A couple.
A couple.
我家楼上住了一对夫妇。我家楼上住了一对夫妇。
There is a couple living upstairs in my house.
There is a couple living upstairs in my house.
一对耳环。一对耳环。
A pair of earrings.
A pair of earrings.
爸爸给妈妈买了一对耳环作为生日礼物。爸爸给妈妈买了一对耳环作为生日礼物。
Dad bought Mom a pair of earrings as a birthday present.
Dad bought Mom a pair of earrings as a birthday present.
谢谢观看。